I must be dreaming, I just can't believe it's true. Am I mistaken, or are these on special too? These spaghettini will be perfect in my stew. Oh, I'm in heaven here, this store is just so nice.
They've got the freshest and the best.
Just love that price.
Fruits in season,
Herbs for flavour,
no frills, brands and breads to savour. Deli service, we're in paradise.
Franklin's, cheaper prices. Franklin's, you restore the
joy of weekly grocery shopping. Franklin's, you're my store.
Franklin's. That's my trolley. Franklin's, we adore the bargains and the friendly service. Franklin's, you're my store. I can't believe I'm singing. It's really quite bizarre. I've always hated musicals. Now I'm a Broadway star. I'm a star. I've got a juicy roasted chicken for my tea. So I'm a happy shopper, loyal as can be. I've got a card to prove it if you'd like to see.
My pleasure is to serve you. There's plenty more like me. Friendly, smiling, helpful staff who know the way around the store.
Where's the tin fruit?
Aisle 3 at Franklin's.
Franklin's, better value. Franklin's, we adore our loyal crew and friendly grocer. Franklin's, you're the best, forget the rest. Franklin's,
You're my store.
I just said after a wonderful effort I must go shopping.
Yeah, it was great. I thought it was fantastic. They did well.
Oh, it's wonderful. Best I've ever seen. Yeah, really was. The shop at Franklin's. Bit of a plug for the store, mate. How's that, eh?
Oh, I loved it.
Oh, it was good. Yeah.
Where